We are in lab 4.4.5 and this is IPV4 troubleshooting tools. You are new to the company and are given office to explore the configuration of the network using Windows computer. In this lab, your task is to explore and record information about the network. Use the following troubleshooting tools being ipconfig or TestOut command utilities. The network diagram schematics as follows. Complete this lab as follows. Using the information in the exhibit, show the hops between Office 1 computer and the partner corp IP address using TestOut utility. Answer question 1. Use the ipconfig command to find the default gateway assigned to Office 1 computer. Answer question 2. Using the information in the exhibit, ping both of the internal DNS server. Score the lab from the top right. Select questions. Select score lab. Okay, so this is lab 4.4.5. Let us start lab. And just in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry for that. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So you're welcome to pause the video and work at your own pace. Alright, so let's start up. We'll go to start menu and click terminal. In the terminal, we are going to type in TestOut ERT. And let's see what we have here. Let's go to the exhibit, and that is the IP address for the partner corp. So we'll close this, and then 12.34.5458 rather than 102. So let's see. The first ask says answer question 1. Let's answer question 1, and this is going to be 192k. So let's close this for now, and then let's see. So this is 192.168.0.5. So it's gonna be bridge A router. So that's bridge A router. Okay, so let's continue. So ipconfig, and then we have the network details here. So this is gonna be 192.168.0.5. Yep. And then so let's see. Ping both of the external DNS server. Okay, so here is the so this gonna ping. What are we pinging? We're pinging the external DNS servers, and there's 163. So the IP address is gonna be 163.128. Let's check it again. .80.83. Okay, so it's gonna be .80.8.93 rather, and ping 163.128. Let's check it again. .78.93. 78.93. Okay, that is it. So let's see, is there any tasks left for us? And that is all. I think we will just check our answers and score lab now. If this video was helpful to you, remember to share so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you